Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to change phone number on WhatsApp. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the WhatsApp and tap on the settings, which is the gear icon on iOS and three dots on Android. Next up is go ahead and tap on the settings. So inside the settings, tap on account to access privacy, security, and number change options. Next is tap the change number and you make sure that you read the explanation screen and then tap on next. Next is type your old number on top of the new number below with correct country codes. So after that, just tap on next. Lastly is enter the 6-digit SMS code. So WhatsApp sends you your new number to complete your migration. So if there is no SMS arrives in 60 seconds, you can tap on call me for a voice OTP instead. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.